Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork and saag. First, let's prepare our pork. You'll want about 1.5 pounds of pork shoulder, cut into 1-inch cubes. Marinate these pieces with a flavorful blend of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to absorb those wonderful flavors. Then, brown the pork in 2 tablespoons of oil until it's beautifully golden. Next, we'll focus on the vibrant saag base. Take about 2 pounds of fresh mixed greens like spinach and mustard greens, wash them thoroughly, and chop them finely. In a separate pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil and sauté 1 large, finely chopped onion until translucent. Then, add 2 chopped tomatoes and a couple of green chilies for a little kick. Stir in your ground spices, including 1 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander, and a half teaspoon of garam masala. Now it's time to bring everything together for that rich, comforting flavor. Carefully add your beautifully browned pork pieces into the pan with the aromatic saag base. Pour in about 1 cup of water or chicken broth to create a lovely sauce. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pan tightly. Let it cook on low heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pork is incredibly tender and falling apart. For the perfect finish, stir in about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or a generous tablespoon of butter to add a wonderful richness and smooth texture to your dish. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice right before serving. This adds a lovely freshness. Serve your delicious, homemade pork and saag hot with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or soft roti for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.